So what's going on today?
Well, these are all overhauled now. These here.
Okay.
I welded these on so that everything is tight.
Yeah.
And I got these two to fix yet, and I'm working on this one. I finished the front. This was scored up bad, and I can't weld lots on it, so I welded enough to put new threads on.
Yeah.
So there was no threads here.
This is the one that was really stripped out before, right?
And then, so anyway, it works. Because there was only half the threads on there. So this way here, I can put the
wheels back on?
the wheels back on without any trouble. I mean, they'll stay on, but without enough threads on the end, it's liable to strip off. And then I built this up. So, just wait, I'm going to get the race to show you. I can't weld lots on here because I'll take the temper out. But as you can see, the nut has threads all the way.
So how bad were these on a scale, let's say 1 to 10, before you started doing the work?
Well, I didn't realize how bad this was until you get going.
Okay. It would have eventually been an issue for this guy?
Yeah, the wheel fell off. No, I got a bearing here for testing. See, they all have to go on like that, snug.
Yeah.
So now this one is built up in the ground.
There you go.
There you go. Good to go. So now I got to make some new ear lugs. Cut some iron and make them to weld on here, so that it's centered and 3/4 of an inch.
Okay. So this is what's been keeping you busy all morning?
Oh, plus, tilled the whole garden.
Okay.
I only spent a couple hours on this. I got all the front end locked down properly now. And I'll sand this and re-putty where it's cracked.
Yeah.
And here. So this is I'm going to work on right there.
Okay.
Close it. And these are adjustable for tightness.
Okay.
This is what we're working on yesterday. Putting these in so it has backup to go against.
Yeah.
They should all be opened in the front because you can't do nothing. I'm gonna have to order tie rod ends too. See,
Okay, yeah, I can see how.
they're wore out,
Yeah.
So you undo the bolt there, screw this out, put a new tie rod end in, and that's it.
It's okay. It's the gift that keeps on giving. But talk to the customer. He's been watching the videos. He's happy. He said, well, this is why it was sent to you. So Dad's not a miracle worker, but he can come damn close to making sure things are working. The thing is, Dad has spent 50 years building Winter Road, and he knows how important it is to have everything in tip-top shape. And he's maybe looking at things that other people not necessarily are looking at because he knows what kind of issues can happen here. So we're going to leave town for a couple of days just for a break. Or not come to the shop at least for a couple of days because just need to clear the head. So by the time you guys see this video, we'll be back. But we got to wait for some parts to come into the shop where we order them, and that'll be that. And so hopefully we won't have any hiccups in the videos being released. But this one should come out, I think, on Saturday. I think that's a 24th. So talk to you later.